How to log in to Propay account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your Propay account online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application and at the top search bar, simply type in login to Propay account. As you do so, you will see its official search result that says Propay Secure Login. Click open that link. Then you will get landed onto an interface like this. Under here, simply enter your email address and click on to continue. And at the next page, you have to enter your password for your Propay account. If your credentials matches your account, you will successfully get logged into your Propay account online. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.